Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's section we are going to see a problem, that is automorphic number. This is the automorphic series and these are the inputs and outputs. 76. 76 is an automorphic number. First we have to square that number. We will get 5776. 5776 ends with 76, so it is an automorphic number. The squared value should be ends with the same number. If we take this example 25, if we square that number, we will get 625. 625 ends with 25, so it is an automorphic number. Now we are going to solve this problem using Java. First we have to create a scanner object. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Then we have to get a number. I'm getting in long n is equal to is dot next long. After that I have to convert this number into a string. For that I am using string str equal to long dot to string of n. Then we have to find the length. Int len equal to str dot length. After this we have to square that value. Long sq equal to n star n. We have squared that value. Then we have to convert the squared value into a string. String str2 is equal to long dot to string. L should be in capital letter. Long dot to string of sq. After this how to find the length. Len2 equal to str2 dot length. Yes, we have got the number and squared that number and converted into string and found their length. After this I'm going to declare another string. String ch equal to str2 dot substring of len2 minus len1, len2 minus len, comma len2. Then we have to pass that number. Have to convert that ch into an integer. For that I am using integer dot parseInt. Integer dot parseInt of ch. I have converted that ch, that is the string, into an integer using this keyword integer dot parseInt. Then we have to check for if condition. If n is equal to v, then we have to print automorphic number. system.out.print auto. After that I'm printing the squared value and a given number, that is v. Else it is not automorphic number. system.out.print not. Yes, we have completed the program. Now I'm going to run it. I'm giving 76. Yes, it is an automorphic number because the squared value ends with the same value, that is 76 is here. We'll check for another input. 25. Yes, that is also automorphic number. 625. We'll check for the not condition. 89. Yes, it is not an automorphic number. We can use one more keyword also, that is ends with. Instead of this, I am using if str2 dot ends with str. This keyword also we can use, that is the ends with keyword. We'll get the same output. I'm giving 76. Yes, that is automorphic number. We'll check for another input. It is 25. That is also automorphic number. Try to solve this problem, guys. Automorphic series. Try to print the automorphic series from 0 to 10,000. So we'll get a clear idea about automorphic numbers. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, post me the comment. Thank you.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.